Zebra da samisa to ne Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso near Radia. First caller. Abba Humano so dada. Yamana kwa bana yetino. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Sister
Adjoa new
Sister Adjoa. Net say
Pacho.
The Pacho yenti the other Radia say.
But then I say. So, baby, Gusubo me home by me name bad me busia. Brother Lusu na me so. But the idea na me yoka. You know mouse don't pay down.
Amen.
Don't see adum kwa adum.
Amen.
Then I say. I want customers on come dey nyina almost na me sra na omomra. Wano. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Next call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
What's your first say?
But I'm not going to continue. Make us free at Timotafo.
Yo, I just na yetiwe.
Yo, Jerry, me masida nyina be ye nyimu to ni radia ya mami.
Ene atuni nyina.
Mahu Umiwe fi Onyamia Oyu Iriwa Manimo Emma Umiwe fi Onyamia Oyu Iriwa Manimo Sewa brabo imusa Ye mawa Ye awa if you say Bunyami Adomwa Arakwa na uti Denia uti Jarinya nyamia I'm just saying me nyamia Adomwa Saturday is my birthday when nyamia came fever come dey come fi one e dey aseda e nyame e da asini nyame nyadi
amen nyame kan ye ma happy birthday in advance. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brad Jerry.
Me patro for saying
Ochirini Agona Inkum.
right patro yetiwe
Yo, Edin Kaya Misha Bibliwati.
amen
Yo, Brad Jerry meden Yankopon asi bebre. They say Yankopon onimi edini. Say ende okan atiasefo no de me aka ho. Wan famanka ewufo ho. Brad Jerry say mitiasisia na mi de bebre fi say ukona kwa ya sabia uko prison na de hu nipa ugu ana Brad say Yankopon ni edini nti sorry say na say yeniska kwa na say ye de Yankopon ase ye won kwampo no ade esombosi bibiara ani nde de Yankopon ase o mi na mebusuafo yi nara na me enka ya nshi obia Brad ya me nka ho me da asebe
amen yes we da se pass our friend. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brother.
Patro for saying
But your family Esther, Pepe Copodia.
me patro yeti sister Esther.
But so me then I say, so they have a back or Aka Enra.
Amen.
Na Yamia Duma 11 fear me ba or Hinekena out Dakwa. Me birthday 27 so or anyone Pedro Dakwa birthday and 28 no so ya or Hineba Japon Dakwa.
And then I just mo de February no maji afa on.
Yafa. It's the Yamia so they are Febaka coming in film. Amen. The Nasa Daka and Yamia Duma Sunday, so you better need Amen.
Amen. Amen. Yes, we that's a power for your call.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Uncle Emma. Sister Tina. Oh, Dortmund, Germany. Yeah, ma, I would have the patrol wow name Sister Tina. Oh, what Dortmund, Germany. Wishing happy birthday, Mama Wati. Oh, you need papa. Yeah, ma, I would have from myself. And then you may forward Mama Late Afro Shop now. And Mama Late and Casa in now. I am happy birthday, Sister Tina. What Dortmund, Germany. It is now 21 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. The patrol wow man so me good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Your Frau saying.
My friend is Albert. My reputation on West State.
You
also known as the one. Agacha one.
Okay. It you.
Yeah. Oh, me danyamia say oni me di ni na. Me danasi be say why me afri adwama mu edumi akọ aware mu.
Any
say wa mami obapa last year November matimi aye ni hwade. Me danyamia be bre say.
okay.
Ono so ene so ye ka aware fo ami so me ka ho bi. Me chia me yere. Ma dina or nungwa 5,000. Or two here, or wasn't two.
You catch us something as a power.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye bye. Ever for last two calls near the yeah. Ofie Kwanso radio baby. Na fear the Jumedin in Kayaka to us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, afternoon.
But your friend saying,
oh, Jeremy, dear me, woman, you are need that.
We have it.
Yeah, Jerry.
Go anyway.
Yo, happy belated okay when our chair broke into my man kind of worry. Belated happy birthday to you, Jerry Justice. You've been a channel of blessing to me and Casa we are fair maker say because me radio na me shop or no media super good at Taro. Wouldn't even not be fee Aduma from Tawahame. Chance first and foremost, Muma Yenidi, from my alligator Nana sample for J or boy in the building. Na could have been a boy the birthday.
And you already.
Yea, on the ideas in bottles and glasses, 13 idea on Babaji. Kwaku, yet I am as a power for your life. Now, the Tosumino said a woman Sunday, bay, now, so your media feedback on ever coming for you. Until the Minumini, now, ye di a birthday, a woman, I catch Venyam on ye cassia, and I attempt for whom I'm ferry. Mamintia, Mammy be all coming to one, Mrs. Bruby or Tonsuin accessories, Ghana Commercial Bank Committee, Jeremy Das Yaminka.
On count so on a fee and fire last caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
But your frost, dear.
Your friend me oba me kase filate.
Udina ne oba.
Pacho.
Vim wom bruta oba kasamieti we.
Me de radia se wo hwe me me busia so. Ma de party in de bia na ta komada mboje mu de de fusana me de radia.
Amen. Amen. Oba yeso da se pass of free nyame sure no kan why.
Amen.
Great. 19 minutes to 4. Me fa enchia ano odin pa. Na emu ohwam. Na efri akomam. Emma Bloom Cakes and More. Bloom Cakes and More. Tema Community 1. Former GCB Bank in Chenhona, Evergreen Supermarket in Chenhua. Bloom Cakes and More. Omu cake e kakuma. Na cake bi omo roma me pa for my birthday. E wura de. Say cake ni pampan keke no kurati mu amen. Yawa. Cake now the team say yes, we the bobo. Mommy why ni na nyamisha. Ne apimon pesi ni palaba sauce bi so alongside ni ade. Hey. Bloom Cakes and More. Bloom Cakes and More. Pacho ebani pastries ne cake sem no money ade na. Any sandwiches no money ade. Oh my God. Aya fa on e ko try bi hwe. Donuts bi no money ade o ka ba ku say kabo. Wan ra be ka be 20 account. Bru ankitinkiti sa no. Head de boni. Bloom Cakes and More. Nyami hia mu nyina. Sawusro. Adaya super baba ti boy. Sawusro. Sawusro mama. Adaya super baba ti bobo. Ya fast that kese my proud sponsors omo boy me dey offend kan ni radia ebro. Na yem fa dia kan to aso. Petra Trust. What you saw there? Pacho, we omo no omo boa na odachi abrabon mu aye fede ama wo. Na emu aye dede ama wo. Abrabon mu aye nika de ama wo. Enye se wanye du mfani ompani fie so. Na so afa wo tete. Dabi. Obi on mo wa save we anju nim se ni sika no betimi de ho ato no so he masa opa nya sika bansoro dan ma. When you invest in a year, massa, ubedia, massa, febe, kakrato, and now ram. Enuti Shannon so say it is not how much money you have, but how much control you have over your money. And the boy said, "I bet me achieve your future goals." Nina, and you know, being here so be JB Mama Petra Trust. So say efficiently, on bet me a control seek an amount through savings, investments, pensions, and the account baby. For Petra and it was 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Kojak Farmer. Almost on the the original pro code. Me come the original DNA because you are not crophobic be from. What time when in now? KOJACH. Near trouble say go na logo no bon. Na fe pro code ne da hon. One more flu ni code to us here one time. Grass am Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. And a Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. And a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Would dear desitremu. Another she, another very chill the Paimuajo. Most of Saint F and Femon. Use Kojak F toothpaste and a mouthwash. A big guy. What any severe paranoiding. Thought that cry now, sending you. Do baby your choose sounds a moja bar. Use Kojak P toothpaste and mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later, now I switch to Kojak F. A big guy, right? About per se a yen 10 power best result in the panel. I use Kojak sensitive toothbrush in the car, right? Very. Nina available. Our pharmacy shops out on in them. Do panel. Or can she drug lane? I want to be Kojak farmer. And yes, our phrase 0260 870 780 and our phrase 0249 209 920. FDIS and Kratumu Shumwaja to say, correct. DBS Industries Limited. Eguswa Eka will say, still now, Wakonya so bet me a better in roofing sheet Tibia Cobo Danso. Now, when you're 5% discount. Member referees will say, or 20-year warranty. I was in roofing sheet, so be Tobia. It's answer when a color link plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet, and your roofing sheet now you try to reans and the paint here for Sunubi. I don't paint no, and Fedi, and Pelio, and Puna Campus, a chance in our rusted. Check on Sprinters Road, Ufia, and Chibian, what do Papaya restaurant. Obey me, our friend, Edding Common. I was 0577 619-102. You better so now you know Edding Town. I face 0543 286 637. Yeah, roof experts now. Finally, into Chama buy1on1.com. Buy1on1.com. Abusia then now here. Aya dine. Anaya sassy. Building materials. Aya car. And spare parts. And now home appliances. Electronic device outweigh. Nini na obenya biato. Ewo buy1on1.com. A bonus so da form. What's on your main neighbors who are now town now pesa content out there? The patrol. Funny now call buy1on1.com. So what do I dare to us? I will turn so. Ayo kwaso just a free and your way. So just log on right now. www.buy1on1.com. And yes, answer Freying. It was 0266 637 111 and now 0302 300 472. Hey, so for mommy, yes. It's your birthday today, Louisa, former student of our AUCC. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless your kind heart. I buy you away, I buy you a beer. Or drink nipa home, papa. I thought that crab cast or drink nipa on one casa home. Louisa. May God bless you. Now, be a quiet Kasaka Sabi Brima. You don't sabe can be our my inshura. It will Christ Jesus demo. Louisa say amen. Happy birthday to you, dear. Enjoy your day. And Chebi Abasha somewhere due to for the day. I will feel Kwanso so I don't 106.3 FM. And no Adaroma, Omo, Eddie Ebrain. a Soaring Estate, and a Mighty Power range of products. But before we do that, your friend Anita, one nice lady. Obon homodin yipa, and I admire her so much. Anita of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1, English Assembly. Abaywa we do nyame. Na oye nyame adwuma, oye fina kumum. Always smiling. Na on the iya note. Yenti asem adi tu on for awie. E wo fie kwadwumedie so adom 106.3 FM. Okay, so ene asemwa yede etu ye hofo no wo brofo kasa mu no asem no say don't give up when you come across difficult times. Worrying doesn't take away tomorrow's troubles. Instead, it takes away the peace you should have been enjoying today. Tiasem ni you. Or say, I am mem paba. Emo abamumu. Wabra obeko abra emu odin emu. Ewo bra kwantu emu. Enwi bi na tete bebre. Isan say, sa wo masade no hawa. Eno enyi sa amane na wakotom ana ebre ye den na wakwako ewura mu no emfiri wakwan mu. Nemum die yi firi ho eya sumdue I sesen ka wunya no ene da yi mu now de te ho dwen ade bi a anko yi enra ho ti e basa na nasomdwie I sesen ka wunya no wahwere minu aba wutie me minu aba ma wutie me ade ti ne sese ba ne sɛ yi de atwa no mi ntwa mu nko ebre mu ɔden ne de bɛba wo nipa sa na brabote wo kɔ wani mu a wo kɔ a wo ba na no ene ma sesa abrabɔ no so nye straight road monchimon kan bɛbam abrochi kro mo develop here wutimi drive we du ba bia on road no ha de na sesa kakra what I say edu ba bia be kona road no the sign is yo it's under construction edu ba bia ye repair works wo ho e bia bibi kakra bia sintiama portion of the road bi enko yi entu nya no smooth saa konkosi ase sa ena obra no te enti difficult moments betimi aba difficult times betimi aba wakwam that doesn't mean you should give up as I say otokoso na obobra no na uma wadwumu da ofan endwendwen bebre esa sa adwendwen no enya de a ebetimi ayi ohaw foforo bi a edi wanim eba wo kyena no ebetimi ayi afiri ho ne mu de yi firi ho anade eye ne se wani gye sesan ka wunya ne ne da yi anyame de akye wo no na wadwendwen no aba be yi se ani gye ne de afiri ho ensese ba ne sa enuti mu wani na ho na ehye ho den wabre mu aye din mu wabra wa ho kyire mu wabra wa kwa ho yehia bi mu hye ho den na kai hunu se enka hoda e den ya situation no ebesesa. Don't give up when you come across difficult times. Worrying doesn't take away tomorrow's troubles. Instead, it takes away the peace you should have been enjoying today. Sasemi ya edi tu ye ho fu yi. Sorry next it. O madama. Beti o so anama sorry. Medical catch order that. Say sorry next it. Eni adwumaku a woton sase ne edan a me kwaku metimi adu ho adanse se wo pe asase a ne edan ato a metimi aka se oh these people there you can trust them. Yes, because me ama so mo ahwe na magia tum no mahu sampa omo ye correct. Ni senti ni say no omo ye group of young Christians and omo aba together say problems are man for fam in acquiring a plot of land wo kromu ano e dos dodo e jomu yi sa problems ni nephew say na man for betimi anya asase atokra wa bra omo emre kratasem ni bibia di mu kama na maso twe bia so no eni ho ye won sase ni adan e wo beautiful locations ahodo pi Tuesdays, Thursdays, and then Saturdays. Yeah, the amount for coin various sites, no. And mom koshe. Now me are convinced the omo pena. E chama wa na chese krata semni ade ade na ka bibia ho asem ni sikasem na bibia kodadin. Obi ate no wase correct kama pa. Enti hwen e chi akwan ye office e wo Newtown. Wo dey sound nam circle Achimota road you na wo do car price boomerang dino na and chemu road na ko Newtown no o follow sa road na o book have kakra na ho na no there's this washing bay bi ho no directly opposite the washing bay abansubi or story building nesro no ho and a sorry estate office wo e patcho betimi afren o de ofre kra na e betimi ama further directions na ade na waba na yedi nkomo 027 001 2295 again 027 0012295 and I'll face 050 054 547 second number 050 054 5457 that's 050 054 5457 and I'll bet you so I send a WhatsApp the account number we so no WhatsApp only 0244 721 348 Sovereign Estate where God lives. And what you say you are the mighty power. We yet you almost one sorry. Free Ubi anim is your putty mighty power tonic. Yane capsules on so eka home. We know o pese wo improve o sexual yina yen kan kese ne obi hon mo abrabo mu nsɛmsɛm ni ade to da kra na wayɛ mmerɛ we no sɛ hansi bibia na ma blood na circulate ye kama e purify blood no so ne mu ada hɔ correct pa o joint ne ade nyina obi okura na ni hu ade da bia na ni so ani bisi no mighty power tonic ne capsules ne ebe bo apa afei o mighty power expires ointment koko di unya ko ba bi ne mo akonwa kra so me de madwuma dem tatra pa presenters ne taka asem no we dey tight trust chewtie dey gina wen ye hwe ni ade a eso bi wa oboa ne de ne bia koko titi no trust ane to edwine ni edi no ogine ho enye obi de etimi keka na ne wura firi no so nam kurum kura na okuoti ni ade a enye obi de etumo jasi aso oba a wabu ninsa me pacho mighty power expires ointment ebedi we kagina mu ayisa problems we ni ade afio and your mighty power keep fit laxative tonic and in the capsules so yeah no dey constipation mo amokɔhye small room a say na umpie no hye na enye no mighty power keep fit laxative tonic bi ne capsules ebetimi abo yi pa wa flames ne ade wo mu nyina so no etuna se kama mighty power skincare product no so no ende wunya bia honam ani nyina problems bia obia no eyini na afio na wede no atimi atoso aye kama ene won hair cream so honam a wunya bia problems ya ma utimi bububu asabasa ne ade nyina no ehwe eyini na afio ene all beauty cream so ha ende black spots ne wrinkles ne ade nyina no eyini na afio bi wa no wede aye say den bare soften na kama pa oba na say agogo fine obi so mu ana free abo mi ha etibo pomode happy product na bi akira kwan na ebebo apa available pharmacy shops ne your friends and herbal shops ahodo nyina mu nationwide name for bulk purchase no contacting Mighty Power Company on 0242 725 009 and 0243 122 192 person send the email so mighty power mpoz@gmail.com. Mighty Power is your putty. You don't want to say some song yasne. Emma iti asemwa yeri tu yonfo. Ofie Kwanso media so adom 106.3 FM.
True story. This happened in 1971 when I was a happy son.